So it came in this box, which is all one piece that you can get off if you just pull the screws out, look like this, from this pallet down here. Then it looks like this, and there are these things to use for some kind of hoist, and I just hollowed out a little bit of 2x4 on each side. Now there's only one on each side, so I'm not sure how well this will work. And then I screwed in these cross pieces, and it's pretty sturdy. I'm wondering if the 2x4s can hold the whole weight. I can barely move it by myself. This one's a little flexy. We'll see if everything breaks. Anyway, so the guy, I was told that I couldn't get the liftgate service, but the guy made it work off the liftgate. The pallet jack just kind of like rolls to the end of the liftgate, and it's really scary when it like dangles off the end, but he said it would be fine, and it was fine. So with his pallet jack, he brought it all the way up the driveway, which is really cracked from here to here. And then we had to, that was with the box perpendicular to where the driveway would go. But as soon as it was a bit narrower, we put the pallet jack on one end and then one of his dollies on the other, and then we got it to here. We tried to scoot it across the floor. The garage floor is relatively flat, but this is where we are. And then the plan is to lift up on two people on one side, and then slip one of those 2x4 spacers up there until the thing is 3 inches off the top, then slide the pallet bottom up, then lower it back to the ground. We'll see if it works. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's not, it's kind of crooked.
Wait a minute.
Wait.
Ready?
Yeah.
2. Alright. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Ow.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That one maybe
Hold on.
be adjusted a little bit. Don't look so high.
Wait, it's all messed up. Hold on.
Can't spare a hand.
There we go.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2. Okay. Okay. Everything in reverse. Okay, so take off 1, 2, 1. Ah. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Sorry.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
2, 1.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, slide it out. Didn't think this through. Just go. No, no.
Okay.
We need boards under the wheel. Can we put boards under the wheel?
Under which wheel?
So now it doesn't move. Yes. Thanks so much.